Hello folks, so I just made this video to explain something which is called reduced adverbial clauses, or you can just say it abridgment adverbial clauses, because these things are very important for grammar S3 because it's very tricky, okay? So pay attention to it and we're going to know it today. So let's read the definition. So an adverb clause can be shortened to an adverb phrase. This can be particularly helpful when you want to express your ideas in a more concise manner. Before you reduce an adverbial clause into an adverbial phrase, make sure that the adverb clause, or you can say subordinate clause, and the main clause have the same subject. Okay, I'm sorry. So هنا كنفهموا أن reduced adverbial clause يعني أول حاجة كنفهموها أن هاد adverbial clause راح تكون باينة. ملي كنقولوا adverbial clause فهي واحد adverbial فهو واحد clause اللي كيدلي على الوقت ولا كيدلي على المكان ولا كيدلي على البلايس. وهو كما تنعرفوا أن الكلاوز كيتكون من subject and predicate, or you can say just verb. So هنا reduced adverbial clause علاش كنستعملوها؟ ملي كنبغيو نعبروا على الفكره ديالنا بواحد الطريقه اللي يعني ايديز يعني بواحد الطريقه مختصره بزاف، اوكي؟ يعني بلا ما نبقاو نطولوا فيها بزاف. سو وهذا الكلاوز هذا اللي بغينا نديروا الادفيربيال كلاوز we need to have the same subject of the clause, okay? So we need to have the same subject, okay? Because if I have another subject, the reduced adverbial clause will not work, okay? So let's see some examples. So here is the first example. So reduced adverb clauses of time, okay? So we have this example, which is after he did military service, comma, he became a monk. So هنا إلا بغيت ندير reduced adverbial clause اللي هي بعدا خصنا نعرفوا adverbial clause بأنها هي after he did military service، هذه هي adverbial clause، or you can say يعني الادفيرب clause. So إلا بغيت ندير لها reduce تقولوا لك يعني العلماء أنك خاصك تحيد ديك subject وتحيد ديك يعني dead، يعني ما تيبقاش عندي يعني the real verb، ما تيبقاش عندي الverb اللي هو كاين عندي في الادفيربيال clause، كنرجعوا ل ing form. سو بحال اش كنقول، سو كنحيد subject وكنحيد ديك dead، هذيك dead كنرجعها في ing form ديالها. سو كنقول بحال هكذا after doing military service, comma, he became a monk. سو لاحظ هنايا حيدت subject، كما تنقول حيدت subject وديك dead رجعتها في ing form ديالها. So after doing military service he became a monk. Okay, so pay attention. حيدت subject و pay attention راه عندي نفس subject، عندي after he did military service he. Okay, so the same subject. Okay, let's see the second example. So he wrote his first book after he recovered from a major illness. Okay, so عاوتاني كما قلت لكم إلا بغيت ندير reduce adverb clause خاصني نحيد ديك subject وديك recovered رجعها في ing form ديالها. إذا غادي تولي عندي result like this. He wrote his first book after recovering from a major illness. So هنا لاحظوا أنني حيد subject اللي هو he. Okay, وهذيك recovered الverb رجعته ing form, which is he wrote his book after recovering from a major illness. So كنخلي subordinate clause ديالي وداك subject والverb كنحيد subject وداك الverb كندير ing. So كتولي عندي after recovering from a major illness. Okay, here is another example. He feeds the cats before he goes to work. So before he goes to work هي الادفيربيال clause ديالي. الا بغيت ندير لها reducing كنحيد subject وداك الverb go كنرجع فيه ing وكنخلي before في بلاصتها. So كتولي عندي he feeds the cats before going to work. So before going to work it's an adverbial clause and it reduced. Okay, يعني درنا لها reduced. Okay, ولا abridgment as which is another synonym. Okay, so let's see another example. Okay, now another type of adverbial clauses which is of cause. Okay, ملي تكون عندي سبب تولي حاجه اخرى. So ملي كتكون عندي subordinate conjunction اللي هي because. Okay, فهنا ما تتغير rule كتغير. So for example, before she was late she didn't get tickets for the show. اوكي سو هنا pay attention. ميمكنش نقول يعني strategy اللي تعلمنا لها هي اننا ديك شي تنحيدها وديك was كندير ing اللي هي being، ياك صحيح، ولكن pay attention please. ميمكنش نقول because being late she no that's incorrect. Okay, this is ungrammatical. So هنا شنو تقولوا العلماء بانك خصك تحيد ديك because لكان بغيتي دير لها الادفيرب reduced adverbial clause خصك تحيد because وتحيد عاوتاني subject وداك الverb هو اللي دير لي ing. As a result كتولي عندك sentence بحال هكذا. Being late she didn't get tickets for the show. Okay, So another example, because I worked fast, comma, I finished early. So هنا ما يمكنش نحيد subject وندير هذاك worked ندير فيه ing. So ما يمكنش نقول because working fast. No, that's incorrect. So كما قلت لك تنحيد because وكنحيد subject وذاك الverb كندير لي ing وتنخليه في مقدمة الجملة. So كنقول working fast, comma, I finished early. Okay? Or I can say having worked fast, comma, I finished early. Okay? So both of them are correct. So this is a quick video just to know the difference between adverbial clauses and reduced adverbial clauses, and see you then inshallah. Thank you so much.